Okay, so for our first topic for this afternoon, we will have the alignment entities. Okay, so before we could create a corridor or road in Civil 3D, okay, our first step was the topographic survey or the surface. We need it in order for us to get the NGL level or existing ground. And then we will run a profile on that. Okay, so before we could run a profile or create a profile, we need to create an alignment. So the alignment also can be used as a center line for the corridor or road. And here also, alignment entities, okay? Civil 3D recognizes 4 types of alignments. Center line alignment, offset alignment, curve return alignments, and miscellaneous alignment. Each alignment type can consist of 3 types of entities or segments: lines, arc, and spirals. These segments control the horizontal alignment of your design. The relationship to one another is described by the following terminology. So first, we have the fixed segments. Okay, second, floating segments. Third is free segments. Okay, so the line, the arc can be a fixed, floating, or free segments. So fixed segments are fixed in space. They are defined by connecting points in the coordinate plane and are independent of the segments that occur either before or after them in the alignment. Okay, so we'll go to the Civil 3D. So the first example here in our fixed float free sample drawing is a fixed line and floating curve. If you left click this one, okay, you will find square grip, and here we have the triangle and circle grip. So here we have a fixed line and the curve is a floating curve. If you left click on the square grip and then try to adjust the placement, so as you can see here, the curve is floating at the other side, while the other side of the fixed line is fixed. So I want you to try that one first. Okay, check the next example, which is fixed line and fixed curve. Left click again on that one and then check in the square grip again. So the next example is fixed on both ends. Okay? So this is the behavior of a fixed line and a fixed curve joined together. So the third one is fixed line, free curve, and fixed line. Then, okay, so as you can see here, the fixed line or the free curve maintains its tangency to the fixed line. Okay, the radius only is adjusted, but the tangency is remain the same. Okay, so it's up to us where can we use this one. Let's say we need to adjust the radius of the corridor, so we can use this type of alignment.